Listening is an important part of communication. If you do not understand what the other person is saying, then you will not know how to respond. This video was created to give you daily practice on listening. Listening is a natural way to learn a language. We offer a very easy way to learn English. Just listen. Enjoy.
Friendship is one mind in two bodies. Your friend is the man who knows all about you, and still likes you. A real friend is one who walks in when the rest of the world walks out. Some friends come into our lives for just a short time. Others come and stay forever. Think about your closest friends. How long have you known each other? Some people say that their spouse or family member is their best friend. Others say they have known their closest friends for many years. And some great friends haven't known each other all that long, but knew right away that there was a connection, or bond, between them. Could it be that there is a twin spirit out there for each of us? What turns a stranger or acquaintance into a friend? Do you know right away if you are going to like someone? Some people think that any stranger can become a friend if they spend enough time together. That may be true for some people. But one thing most of us agree on is that true friendships seem to happen when people have something in common. Perhaps we see a part of ourselves in our friends. Maybe seeing the good in them helps us to see the good in us as well.
Thanks very much for watching this video. If you liked this video, please make sure to subscribe to Learn with Cartoon channel if you haven't subscribed already.